Okay, you guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an angry bird that looks like this. You're going to need some white clay, red, black, and yellow. Now first we're going to start off with the red clay. Now just roll it in a ball. And depending on how you want it, I like mine so I can make them a magnet, so I make them flat on the back. You start with the ball, you grab your white, and you flatten it. And you take your white, and you put it on the bottom of your red. And you gently press down. Okay? Now you're going to gently push down to make the backside flat. And to give him a little belly there. Okay? I'm going to smooth that out just a little bit. Okay. Next, you're going to take your white pieces, your two little white circles, and you're going to flatten them. And place them just above the white area. Okay. Next, you're going to take your yellow and you're going to make it a cone shape, kind of like a rounded cone shape. So like that. Push it down. Take a stick and push a little bit on the bottom. To make it look like a beak. Point it a little more if you need. And then stick it right on the front there. Okay. Next, you're going to take some black and you're going to roll it out. And then you're going to take a razor blade and you're going to cut. Oops, got some red on my. So you want 2 pieces for the eyebrows, and then 2 for the eyeballs. So I do actually the eyeballs first, so the little balls there. Mine's a little bit bigger on that side, so I'll take a little bit off. And you just place one there and one there. I just do it very gently at first. And then there you go. Now you take the eyebrows, and I might have made mine just a little big. I'm going to cut them again. And you take your eyebrows, and you set them right there. You can play around with these to make different expressions. I think this one kind of gives them a worried look. So if you poke it up a little, it makes them look a little more determined to get some piggies. Okay, and now the finishing touch is going to be to add 2 little like feathers, I guess, out of the top of his head. So that's basically just taking 2 little pieces, making like a teardrop shape. Let's see, it's at the right size. That might be good. Pinching them together. Take the top here and just poke a little hole where you want it to be. Okay, so once you have the hole poked on the top, you take your pieces here and you just squish them in to the hole. So you can make those bigger or smaller depending on what you like. So there you go. There's your Angry Bird.